Welcome to our guide on AI photo editing. Today, we're diving into how this innovative tool nearly outshines traditional software like Photoshop. Let's explore the standout features of our AI photo editor. You'll see tools designed for speedy, impressive results. How does our AI photo editor stack up against Photoshop? Let's assess their performance in key areas. One of the most exciting aspects is the user-friendly design that simplifies the editing process for everyone. Watch as I demonstrate real-time editing. With AI, changes happen in a flash, enhancing your creativity. Another major advantage? The AI editor's free access, providing tremendous value without breaking the bank. Take a look at these incredible before and after transformations, highlighting the power of AI editing. Join a vibrant community. With forums and tutorials, it's easier than ever to dive into AI photo editing. What's next? Let's look at trends and predictions shaping the future of AI in photo editing for 2025. Don't miss out. Try the AI photo editor today and share your experiences in the comments below.